Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to connect your Vivitar to the Wi-Fi to your phone so you can download your videos from the camera to your phone.
Hi, so this is a Vivitar 8K camcorder and you need to download the Hello Cam app and set it up normally, and then to connect the Wi-Fi you click the Wi-Fi button on the camera and hold it for a second, and then it shows you the SSID and the password, and then you go to your phone to settings and to your Wi-Fi, and you connect to the same SSID from the camera, and it will connect. Use the password that's on there. Once it's connected, you can open the app, the Hello Cam app, and connect the camera, and then you click the button on the left where you see a little video snapshot, and there are the videos that you have. So if you want to download one, you click the download button in the middle, and then you get selection boxes. You can select one, and then you hit the download button again, and it'll show you the status. We're downloading. You just repeat that till you're done. You can also delete the videos from that same screen earlier.